Here, the yarn diameter is about 1.5 millimeters and 2.5 millimeters hook. Make a circle like that. Pull yarn and chain 1. Next, make 8 single crochet into the ring. That's 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. It's helpful when you're a beginner. Make another 7 single crochet. Slip into the first stitch to close the first round. Mark the last stitch of the first round. Chain 1 at the beginning of the second round. Make 2 single crochet into the first stitch of the first round. If you are a beginner, please mark the first stitch. Now, the second single crochet into the first stitch. Repeat another 7 times to single crochet into every stitch of last round. At last, we get 16 stitches. Slip into the first stitch to close the second round. Chain 1 to start the third round. 1 single crochet into the first stitch. 2 single crochet into the second stitch. There are 3 stitches in total. That's 1 set. Repeat another 7 times. That's 3 sets. Now, the end of the third round, 24 stitches in total. As usual, slip and chain. Now, the fourth round, 1 single crochet into the first stitch of last stitch. Next are single crochet. Next, 1 single crochet. That's 1 set, includes 4 stitches, 121. Repeat another 7 times. The last set. Slip stitch and chain 1. Next, the fifth round, single crochet. Next single crochet. Next single crochet again. Next single crochet into 1 gap. That's 1 set, includes 5 stitches. Repeat another 7 times. At last, we get 40 stitches. Slip to close the fifth round. Chain 1 to start the 6th round. 1 single crochet, next single crochet. Next a single crochet into 1 gap. Next one, single crochet. Next one, single crochet. That's the first set. Includes 6 stitches. Repeat another 7 times. We get 48 stitches in total. Slip into the first stitch to close the 6th round. Here we get 48 stitches. It's multiples of 3. The 7th round, chain 1. Single crochet 1 by 1 all this round. There are 48 stitches per round. Crochet like that until we get the 11th round. Now we get 11 rounds in total. Change yarn now. Slip into the first stitch. Hide the tails at the same time. That's how to change yarn. Chain 5. Yarn over, still into the first stitch, make a single crochet. That's the first set. Let the blue here, we will use it later. Yarn over, skip 2 stitches. Next, make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, make another double crochet into the same gap. That's the second set. Repeat another 14 times. Now change pink yarn. Slip into this space. Chain 3. Let the blue yarn here. Hide the pink and green tails here. Make 5 double crochet into this space. Then pull this loop through the first stitch. That's the first bud. Chain 3. Next, make 5 double crochet into this space. Pull the loop through the first stitch. That's the second bud. Repeat another 14 times. Chain 3 after the last bud. Change yarn again. Slip into the top of the first bud. Chain 1. Make 3 single crochet into this space. Next 3 single crochet. Repeat another 14 times. Here, 48 stitches in total. Slip into the first stitch and chain 1. Next 3 rounds, 48 single crochet per round. It's very easy, single crochet one by one. Okay, now we get them. Slip and chain. Now the 18th round. 6 single crochet one by one. Next, chain 22. Skip 12 stitches. Next, make a single stitch. Next, 11 single crochet one by one. Next, chain 22. Skip 12 stitches. Make 6 single crochet one by one. Slip and chain. Next, the 19th round, all slip stitch around. Here, slip into the back lumps. Final, fasten off the yarn. Close the last round with needle. Now we color it with powder.